Content creation is not easy, and this can be very frustrating. But you know what is not frustrating? Is the birth of AI. Imagine the possibilities AI has brought to us. Now just a little hit. Now do you know this background and everything you are seeing right here is fake? Yes, it's fake. Now all this was possible with the help of AI with just 3 simple tools. I am currently filming this video with my mobile phone. Now another thing you should be aware of is that you need a stable shot, so you might need a tripod or anything that will hold your device for stability. The next thing you should put in mind is good lighting. If you can't afford softbox or LED light, use your natural light. That's the best light you can afford. Now with all this said, let's get to it. So the first step is to come over to your browser, then you are going to type in Leonardo Ai. Alright, now the first website you are going to be seeing right here, which is this leonardo.ai, is the website we are going to be using. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to create an account with them. Now this is applicable on mobile phone and it's also applicable on desktop. So the first thing you are going to do right now is you are going to create an account with them. It's going to launch up. So you just come over to your Google. Now if you're using an iPhone, you can create an account with them with your Apple device or with your Microsoft device, whichever device you are using. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my Gmail. So immediately your account is created, you will want to put in your username. As you can see, this username is available. And the next thing it's going to ask us is what are my interests. So I'm going to put in product design, interior design, stock images, and education, right? Then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to confirm this. Then you're going to click on next, and your account is going to be created, as you can see. So you just click on this very one. So immediately you sign up an account with Leonardo.ai, you have 150 credit at your balance. This 150 credit will be enough to generate as many images as you want, right? You come over to image generation, you can just click on it right here, or you can come over, or you can click on it right here. So once you click on image generation, it's going to launch up for us. We're going to type in our prompt and the kind of image we want Leonardo to generate for us. So whatsoever idea you have in your head, you are going to tell this AI to generate that for you. Now this is the prompt I'm using. Design a beautiful looking wall for a YouTube video that has a good RGB light setup and a bookshelf with some tech gadgets on the table with a table lamp. So what we're going to do right now is to click on this generate button. We are going to be using 8 credits or 8 tokens to generate these images. And remember, we have over 150 credits right here. So we still have a lot of credits left for us. So click on generate. As you can see right now, it's generating for us. Now these are the image generation right here. We still have over 142 tokens left for us. This image dimension is 3:4. So what we are going to do is that we are going to take it to 16:9, which is the YouTube standard ratio. Once we are done with that, we are going to click on regenerate so that we can have a YouTube standard ratio. So as you can see right now, this is what we have, right? This is the YouTube standard ratio. So make sure you change this image dimension to 16:9 so that you can have a YouTube standard ratio, right? So now we are done generating our image. The next thing we are going to do right now is to move over to the second tool, which is our Canva app, to finish this design. So guys, the next thing to do is to come to your Canva app. We are going to use this Canva app to edit and do some changes on our background, right? Now, if you don't know what Canva is a tool that you can use to edit and design your graphics, right? It's a very free, popular tool everyone uses to design any simple graphics or design. What you are going to do is to come over to this create design right here. You click here and you are going to search for YouTube, and these options are going to pop up. You are going to just come down to this very one right here, which is saying YouTube thumbnail. You are going to click on it and it's going to generate this dimension for us. Now this is the canvas right here. So what we are going to do is we are going to upload our images on this very place. So you are going to come to this upload section right here. Then you are going to use your images, right? So if you can't find your images right here, you come to this file right here. You come to import file. Then you can easily just come and choose your file. Then you can come here and import all these files. You just copy all of them. Then you click on open and it's going to be imported down in this very section. So we are going to choose one of these background to use right here. We are going to make use of this one right here. I'm going to click on it. This is not on full screen. Just come here. I'm going to drag it. I'm going to drag it right here. So we are going to make sure that it fits up. Now, if you can make any changes right here, if you want to make any changes, you can make any edits. You can change the effect, you can change the filter, you can put a YouTube icon, a YouTube play button if you want to do that. If you want to do that, just come to element right here and you can search for whichever element you want to put on this very background. I can just click on YouTube icon, or let's say YouTube play button, right? Just to give it that YouTube feel. So you are going to give us several options. Click on see all. Then we are going to choose the one we want to use, right? I'm just going to scroll down. Okay, I believe this is perfect. Click on it and we can just resize it to this, and we can just put it at let's resize it a little bit, and we can just put it somewhere like here on this table. I'm going to resize it to a little bit. Okay, I believe it's perfect this way. So the next thing to do right now, we want to export this very file. So you click on share right here. Once you click on share, you click on download. We are going to leave it on PNG. Then you just click on save download settings. So you just go ahead and click on download, and it's going to be downloaded in a few seconds. So right now our design is already downloaded. The next thing we're going to do right now, we are going to head over to our editing tool. So we are going to use a free editing tool called CapCut. Now CapCut is available on desktop, Android and iPhone, right? So it's a free editing tool that helps you edit your video with fast pace. So the first thing we want to do is we want to import our project right here. So we click on import. So this is our two projects right here. We are going to just import these two projects. We just copy them, we click on open, and they are going to be imported right here. So the first thing to do right now is to drag this very project down to the media pool. So once we have this project right in the editing tool, the first thing we want to do is that we want to remove the background from this very footage. So you just click on this very footage right here. You are going to come to cut out right here. Then you are going to scroll down. You are going to see a place when they will tell you auto cut out. So click on auto cut out and it's going to start generating for us. Now this is going to take a few seconds or a few minutes according to the length of the video. This video length is quite long, so we are going to just wait a little bit and let them do the cutout. So right here, we are done cutting out the video, as you can see right here. What we are going to do right now is to bring our YouTube background into play. So I'm going to drag this right now. I'm going to just put it down in this middle. So the next thing I want to do is to come to the effect, and I want to blur the background so that I will stand out. I'm going to come to this one right here, and I'm going to choose on this very one, and I'm going to drag it. I'm going to place it on this very background, right? So I'm going to use what I'm going to do is that I'm going to reduce the blur opacity. I won't make it look too blur. If you look too blur, it won't come out. So I'll just make it low. I'll bring it down a little bit. I'll leave it right here. The next thing I want to do, add a filter to this video to make the background match with the video. I'm going to make this one. Let's see this one. Table shot. So you might need a tripod or anything that will hold. This one is not good. Let me try this one now. Table shot. So you might need a tripod or anything that will hold. So I'm going to use I'm going to put in this filter. I'm going to just drag it right here so that I can feed the video, and I'm going to reduce the strength. This is the normal video, but when I put filter, this is what I have. So I'm going to just reduce the strength to around to be 50 or so. All right, so we are done with our video. So the next thing we want to do right now, we want to go ahead and export this video. You just click on export. I want to make sure we are exporting in 1080p. You can choose to export in 2K, or you can choose to export in 4K, depending on the quality of the video you want. So I'm going to leave it at 1080p. I'm just go ahead and click on. I'm going to rename this. I'll just rename it as my YouTube, and I'll just export it right now. So it's going to export immediately. Content creation is not easy, and content creation is not easy. But you know what, this can be very frustrating. But you know what, it's not imagine the possibilities AI has brought to us. Now just a little hit. Now do you know this background and everything you are seeing right here is fake? Yes, it's fake. Now all this was possible with the help of AI. So guys, thanks for watching. I believe this video was very valuable to you. If you got value, please make sure you smash that like button, like this video as a sign of telling YouTube that this video is a good video, and join the family by subscribing, and I'm going to be seeing you around. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or any challenges, make sure you drop them in the comment section. I will do my best to reply and answer all your comments. If you got value from this video, please do well to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and join the family. You can check the first link in the description to join our Telegram community. Click on this video right now. You will need to see this.